Buying a washing machine in 2026 isn't as simple as it used to be. Every brand promises lower energy bills, smarter features, and perfect cleaning, but not all machines actually deliver in real UK homes. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 best washing machines you can buy in the UK in 2026 based on real cleaning performance, energy efficiency, ease of use, and long-term reliability. Whether you're a small household, a busy family, or someone who wants smart features that actually make life easier, this list will help you choose the right machine without wasting money. Let's start with the best overall performer. First place medal number 1 best overall. AEG 7000 LFR 71864B. If you want a washing machine that simply does everything right, the AEG 7000 series is hard to beat. This machine stands out for its intuitive design. The wide door makes loading easy. The controls are simple and the display is clear and readable, even if you don't like complicated appliances. But where this machine truly shines is cleaning performance. In testing, it removed over 85% of stains on every cycle, including tough stains like grass, blood, and curry sauce. It also performs extremely well when it comes to water efficiency, spin efficiency, energy usage. In fact, its quick wash uses around 1 penny of electricity, which is excellent for UK energy costs. Yes, the display panel is slightly smaller than some competitors, but that's a small compromise for such a strong all-rounder. Backhand index pointing right if you want reliability, strong stain removal, and low running costs. This is the safest choice for most UK homes. Second place medal number 2 best for large and unique loads. Haier X Series 11. If your household washes more than just clothes, the Haier X Series 11 is built for flexibility. This machine has an 11 kilograms capacity, making it ideal for large families, bulky items, backpacks, dog beds, sports gear, even diving suits. The controls are intuitive both on the machine and through the Han smartphone app. You don't need a manual. Everything is clearly laid out. Cleaning performance is strong, especially for everyday stains like coffee and blood. Greasy stains were slightly more challenging, but overall results were still very good. There are a few downsides. Touch buttons can feel slightly delayed. Wash times sometimes run longer than advertised. Some features, like Keep Fresh, can only be turned off via the app. Still, for busy households that value versatility and smart control, this machine offers a lot. Backhand index pointing right perfect if you wash unusual items and want maximum flexibility. Number 3 best smart washing machine. Samsung Series 8 AI Energy. If you like smart technology that actually works, Samsung Series 8 is a strong contender. This washing machine uses AI to detect fabric type, load size, and dirt level, then automatically adjusts water energy and wash time. And the results are impressive. Over 80% average stain removal, 88% blood stain removal thanks to bubble soak, lower energy and water use, especially on cotton loads. The SmartThings app lets you track energy consumption, control the machine remotely, access extra wash programs. Wash times are also very accurate, which is rare for smart machines. The only real downside is that quick washes don't spin as efficiently, but that's expected at higher speeds. Backhand index pointing right. If you want smart features that genuinely save energy and effort, this is one of the best options in 2026. Number 4 best budget large capacity option. Hisense 5S Series. If you want a large drum without paying premium prices, the Hisense 5S Series is a solid option. With a 12 kilograms capacity, this machine is ideal for families. It includes quick wash programs, automatic detergent dosing, pause and add function, clear detergent tray labels. Cleaning performance is reliable, although very stubborn stains may need extra treatment. Energy and water use are economical, but there's one clear drawback. It's louder than most competitors, especially during high spin cycles. Still, for the price, it delivers good value and practical features. A strong choice of budget and capacity matter more than noise. Number 5 most feature-packed, Hisense 7S Series. The Hisense 7S Series is for people who want everything. It includes auto-dosing for a month's detergent, steam cleaning, pause and add, AI Superwash, Wi-Fi and app control. In testing, it removed around 90% of stains, which is excellent. Energy and water usage were even lower than advertised when AI modes were used. The main downside is inaccurate wash time estimates, so always allow extra time. Back-end index pointing right. If you love features and don't mind longer cycles, this machine offers a lot for the price. Here's the simple breakdown. Trophy best overall, AG 7000 series. Basket best for large and unusual loads. Higher X Series 11. Robot Face best smart machine. Samsung Series 8 AI. Money bag best budget large capacity. Hisense 5S. Gear most features. Hisense 7S. The best washing machine isn't about brand hype. It's about how you actually wash at home. If this video helped you, give it a like. Comment below which machine you're considering, and I'll help you choose the right one. And subscribe for honest appliance advice. No marketing nonsense, just real guidance.